Hi guys, Jose here from Train Me Please, and toilet training or house training is one of the most important things a puppy can learn. Toilet training is definitely one of the things that people with young puppies want to master as early as possible. Most people will have a very low tolerance towards an adolescent or adult dog that has not mastered the basics of toilet training. This can result in people relinquishing their pet dogs. Dogs with separation anxiety, stress or excitement-related urination or urine marking will need the help of a certified behavior professional. The examples that follow will assume that you have access to an outside location, but the same principles will apply if you are using pee pads or any other solution. Dogs will naturally tend to prefer to eliminate away from their resting location. With a little bit of planning, preparation, good antecedent arrangement, and lots of patience, we should be able to make the most of this natural tendency. You should see some tangible progress by the time the puppy is 5 or 6 months old, but some dogs will take longer. Dogs need to eliminate after the following key moments: eating, running, walking or playing, waking up from a nap or long sleep, when excited or stressed. I am going to start by highly discouraging any type of reprimand if a puppy makes a mistake in front of you. More often than not, what this will create is a situation in which the puppy will be afraid to eliminate in front of you and will actively try to seek privacy away from you to eliminate. This will make it much more difficult to teach the puppy where to eliminate. If a puppy starts eliminating in front of you, I am going to suggest that you simply, in a very casual and low-key manner, try to move the puppy to the designated location and see if the puppy still wants to continue to eliminate there. If the puppy eliminates in front of you, but you are pretty sure that he or she is done, simply clean it very well and do not say or do anything to the puppy. The same goes for if you find an accident after the fact. Let's pay more attention to our environment and our antecedents next time. I am definitely not a specialist on how to best clean an accident so that it doesn't elicit the puppy to try to go to eliminate there again, but there seems to be some good information from good sources recommending an enzymatic cleaner and advising against products with ammonia, vinegar or bleach. More information in the description below the video. For successfully teaching a puppy where to eliminate, consider the 3 following steps. Accident prevention with supervision and management. Pre-empt when the puppy needs a toilet break. Reinforce elimination in the designated area. Accident prevention. Accidents can be prevented by actively monitoring and managing the puppy. With really young puppies, I am not a big fan of simply letting them loose in the house and hoping for the best. I recommend having tools such as baby gates, exercise pens, crates, and using the leash indoors to be able to accomplish this. We want to create as many successful elimination events and the least amount of accidents as possible. The more a puppy moves without supervision, the more he or she is likely to make a mistake. If you cannot actively supervise the puppy, the management tools mentioned are crucial, especially early on. As the puppy continues to develop and as you start to achieve more and more successful elimination events, you can slowly start to relax how much you use management tools and supervision. In the beginning, stay with it and be consistent. This arrangement is not forever. Keep in mind that movement triggers elimination. So if your choice of confinement, when you cannot actively supervise the puppy, is something that offers the puppy a lot of room to move, you are likely to create accidents. This is why I recommend several management tools, some less roomy than others. They should help you with the different situations that you have to manage with a young puppy. Pre-empt when the puppy needs a toilet break. The smaller the puppy, the more toilet breaks he or she will need. We already listed some of the key moments in the day in which a puppy might need to eliminate. Make sure that you are at the designated location at those key moments. Initially, you might be taking the puppy out 10, 12, or 15 times a day. Of those, even if the puppy only eliminates 4 or 6 times, that's okay. You want to create situations that are likely to create a reinforcement event. You will also start to learn the puppy's elimination routine. You will learn how many times he or she actually needs to go out, as well as the precursors of toileting, sniffing the ground, sniffing and circling, orientation towards the toilet area, or even sudden changes in movement. You might also start to learn that the pattern might be different during the day than it is at night. All of this is valuable information. It is not uncommon to have to wake up at night to take a puppy out. This is okay. Just give her some time to grow a little bit and develop some urinary and bowel control. You will soon be able to start extending the time at which you wake up for a toilet break. Reinforce elimination in the designated area. It is probably a good idea to put this behavior on cue. Just use an expression such as go outside just before the puppy is about to eliminate. Depending on the size of your designated area, having the puppy on leash might be helpful. Have a few treats in a treat jar that simply lives somewhere near the elimination area. If you are using a clicker, have one there as well or grab it on the way out. Simply stand there waiting for the puppy to eliminate. Do not make this a play or interaction session. Stay pretty neutral and just wait. Nothing super fun should be happening at this stage. Give the puppy 5 to 7 minutes to eliminate. If the puppy eliminates, click and give her a treat. Ideally, choose the end portion of the behavior to click, but avoid a situation in which the puppy has already finished and has moved on and is now doing something else. If the puppy eliminates, you can now go back inside and have some off-leash time, some playtime, etc. Ignore this recommendation for middle of the night toilet breaks, but they are very valid and helpful for daytime. If the puppy does not eliminate in that time frame, go back inside and use management to decrease movement from the puppy. Crate, leash the puppy with you, etc. Go back outside after 10 to 15 minutes and try again. Off-leash, fun time inside the house should only happen with a young puppy when we have a puppy with an empty bladder. When you reach several days or even a couple of weeks of consistent success, you can choose to start to swap the click and treat with simply some words of encouragement, such as, "Well done, buddy," when he or she eliminates in the designated spot. By all means, continue to use the clicker and lots of treats for fun training sessions, but for toilet training specifically, you do not need them for maintaining good elimination habits. You can also slowly start to decrease the number of toilet break opportunities. If you have had several weeks of success, you can also very slowly start to relax how much you use your management tools and active supervision. If you face a setback, be ready to tweak your toilet training approach and to adjust what you are doing. Maybe reinstate the clicking and treating and maybe offer the puppy more toilet breaks. Talk to a professional if you need help and a vet if you suspect any medical condition. I hope you found this helpful. I had a lot of fun making this video. I work with a lot of puppies, and if you follow these suggestions, you should be on your way to successfully toilet train your puppy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.